Hello APS students and staff, this is Kristen with APS EdTech. Did you know that you can take handwritten notes or notes from the whiteboard, take a picture of them, and then upload them to a Google Doc? No longer do you have to type up a rough draft. You can have an instant final draft with your rough draft. Just take a picture. Keep watching to find out how. The first thing you need to do is have your written product ready. Grab your rough draft, or have the whiteboard where the notes are written down, ready to go. Then grab your cell phone or your Chromebook and take a picture of those notes or rough draft. Then you're going to upload that photo to your Google Drive. Once you've taken a picture of your rough draft, you're going to upload it to your Google Drive from your phone. Make sure if you're on an iPhone, you change the file type to a JPEG. This will not work with anything other than a JPEG. Right here, I can see the image of the rough draft that I have taken. All I need to do now is click on the three dots inside my drive on the image. Then I'm going to click Open With, and I'm going to open with Google Docs. It's going to open in a new tab. It's going to add the picture to the top of the document, and down below I've got my text typed out. Now, sometimes the font is going to be an interesting size, and if you've got bad handwriting, it may not pick it up, but it's a better start than you would have had otherwise. Now you can go in and change the color, change the font, change the size, and start the editing. One more note when you're in your Google Drive, if the photo is just called whatever the photo file is from your phone, then that is going to translate to the title of your Google document here. So if it's that random letters and numbers from the image, go ahead and make sure you save it as a document title that's going to be easier to find in your drive later. So this is a quick and easy way to take something handwritten, such as notes on the board or a rough draft, and turn it into a final draft without having to take the time to type it all up. Thanks for watching. Check out our YouTube channel for more quick tips. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.